Welcome for today's class of mathematics. This is for class 8 mathematics, Ganita Prakasha square and a cube chapter. In the previous class, I have solved this question number 1 and 2. Today I will be solving third one. State true or false, explain your reasoning. The cube of any odd number is even. There is no perfect cube that ends with 8. Okay, so let us do this one by one. Okay. So first question you will have to take down, that is state true or false and explain the reasoning. Okay, so here for the first one, the cube of any odd number is even. Is it true or false? Let me give you all, this is a false statement first of all. And I will be giving you all the reason. Okay, state whether true or false and then you will have to explain the reason. So let me give you all the reason. So reason will be the cube of any odd number is even. False. Reason will be the cube of the cube of the cube of an odd number of factors. The cube of an odd numbers, the cube of an odd numbers is always odd. Okay. Now moving towards the next question, next one. Okay. Before that, let me give you an example. The cube of an odd number is always odd. Means let me give you an example of this. For example, 3 cube will be 27. 5 cube will be 125. 7 cube will be 343. Okay, moving towards the next question, that is second one. What we have is, there is no perfect cube. There is no perfect cube that ends with 8. So obviously the answer will be false. Why? Let me give you all the reason. So reason will be the cubes of all the number of all the numbers ending with 2 ending with 2 at the unit place end with 8. So here it will be 2 cube, which will be 8. So the cube of all the numbers ending with 2 and at unit place ends with 8, because 2 cube will be 8. Then 12 cube will be 1728. Then 22 cube will be 10648. And in the question what I asked you all is, there is no perfect cube that ends with 8. So false, right? There is a perfect cube which ends with 8, right? You all can see I have given you all the example also. So I hope you all have understood the explanation along with the example. Okay. So third question you all can take down. The cube of two-digit number may be three-digit number, which is false, right? What will be the reason? So let me write down the reason first. So okay, the reason is cube of two-digit number have a minimum of 4 digit to maximum 6 digit. So 10 is the smallest two-digit number. 10 cube is 1000, which has 4 digit, right? So that's why a cube of two-digit number may be a three-digit number, which is false, right? And the reason, I hope you'll have understood also. I've given you all the reason for that. So I can take down the fourth one. The cube of two-digit number may have 7 or more digit, which is false, right? Why it is false now? Because the reason, let me give you all the reason. Cube of two-digit number may have at most 6 digits. So let me give you all the example. 99 is the largest two-digit number, and 99 cube will be 970299, which is 6 digit, which is a 6 digit, which is a 6 digit number. Okay, so take down the example. I hope you have understood. Moving towards the fifth one, cube number have an odd number of factors. So here also it is false, right? Why it is false? Let me give you all the reason. Cube numbers may have an odd as well as an even number of factors. Let me give you all the example of it for both, okay? So now 27, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, which is the odd number of factor. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so like this way you all have to do. So this is a even number of factor. So in the next class I will continue giving you all the fourth one, okay, and the fifth one also is there, okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, share with your friends, press bell icon for more updates.